If you thought the DJI Mini 4 Pro was already a masterpiece of aerial technology, get ready, because things are about to get seriously exciting. Fresh leaks and hands-on images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro have just surfaced online, and they're sending shockwaves across the drone community. At the same time, another surprise has popped up. The DJI Neo 2, spotted in FCC listings, which might just become DJI's most underrated but game-changing release of the year. This video and article are all about diving deep into these two drones, breaking down every leak, rumor, confirmed feature, and hidden upgrade. Whether you're a professional aerial cinematographer, a casual hobbyist, or just a tech enthusiast, the DJI Mini 5 Pro and Neo 2 could completely change how we see compact drones in 2025. DJI Mini 5 Pro, hands-on leaks that redefine portability. The first major story is, of course, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Unlike blurry prototype shots or speculative renders, these leaks are clear, detailed hands-on images of the actual retail unit. That means we're not talking about rumors anymore. This is our first real look at DJI's newest compact powerhouse, sleeker body and under $249. At first glance, the Mini 5 Pro carries on the ultra-lightweight tradition of the Mini series. And yes, it's still proudly marked with the C0 sticker, confirming it weighs under the magical 249g limit. Why does this matter? Because in many regions, including the US, this keeps it exempt from FAA registration. For casual pilots, that's like having a permanent pass to skip the bureaucracy and just enjoy flying, but don't let the size fool you. The Mini 5 Pro looks and feels like it has leveled up in every department. Smarter sensors and next-level obstacle avoidance front-mounted LiDAR-assisted sensors are one of the biggest upgrades here. Forget the basic, don't crash into a tree safety nets we've seen before. LiDAR works even in low light, fog, or completely featureless terrains, giving pilots unmatched confidence. DJI also seems to be introducing LAR, LiDAR-assisted ranging, for sharper navigation, improved collision detection, and better performance in tricky conditions. Simply put, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just flying smarter, it's flying safer, redesigned. Propellers and quick launch button. DJI has finally ditched the one-time use propeller screws that frustrated many Mini 4 Pro users. Instead, the tap and twist system makes swapping propellers as simple as changing batteries in your TV remote. No tools, no hassle. On top of that, eagle-eyed viewers have noticed a new mysterious button on the top of the drone. The leading theory? A quick power-on shortcut that works without connecting the controller. This means you can go from spotting the perfect shot to taking off in just seconds. A camera that rivals professional gear. Now let's talk about the real crown jewel, the 1-inch sensor camera. This is where DJI is truly flexing its muscle. Expect 4K video at 120 frames per second, slow motion that looks cinematic, crystal clear night photography, and true vertical shooting that makes TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts look professional without the need for awkward cropping. The gimbal is another standout. With a 225 degrees rotation range, you're not just shooting, you're unlocking creative angles most compact drones can't touch. Whether it's low-angle cinematic sweeps or overhead vertical captures, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to inspire creativity. Flight time and battery options. DJI claims up to 36 minutes of flight time, already a bump over the Mini 4 Pro. But history tells us we can also expect an extended plus battery pack, which should push flight times even further. That means fewer emergency landings and more freedom to capture the shots you actually want. Intelligent tracking and obstacle detection with full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just capable of avoiding obstacles, it can actively follow subjects with remarkable accuracy. Runners, cyclists, skateboarders, or even pets, the drone's AI tracking keeps up effortlessly. This isn't basic follow mode, this is DJI saying, I'm with you all the way. Pricing and release window. So when can we expect it? Current whispers suggest a late September 2025 reveal, with pricing around $899 to $999 depending on bundles. Yes, that's not cheap, but the Mini 5 Pro isn't a toy. It's a professional-grade aerial tool in a palm-sized package. DJI Neo 2, the sleeper hit nobody saw coming. Now, while the Mini 5 Pro is stealing headlines, DJI quietly slipped another name into the spotlight, the DJI Neo 2. This one showed up in the FCC database, which is always a strong signal that launch is just around the corner. Release timeline and pricing. DJI typically launches FCC-certified products within 4 to 8 weeks of approval. That means the Neo 2 could debut between late August and early October 2025. As for pricing, all signs point to the mid-range sweet spot, around $449 to $599. That's well below the Mini line, making it a very attractive option for beginner pilots. Or hobbyists who want pro-level features without dropping close to a grand. Safety-focused design. The Neo 2 seems to be built with beginners in mind. Leaked prototypes reveal double-layered propeller guards that make it safer for indoor flying and first-time users. Combined with a lightweight, aerodynamic redesign, the Neo 2 likely comes in under the $249G threshold too. Safer flights, easier portability, and fewer restrictions. Camera and tracking upgrades. One of the most exciting upgrades is the 1/1.3-inch camera sensor, a massive leap over the first-generation Neo. Expect better low-light shots, sharper detail, and 4K at 60 frames per second recording. DJI could also be adding D-Log or DCNA-like color profiles for advanced color grading, making this tiny drone perfect for creators. With ActiveTrack 6.0, smooth subject tracking, and HDR photography modes, the Neo 2 is shaping up to be a mini powerhouse in its own right. Smarter flight and obstacle detection. Unlike the original Neo, which lacked strong obstacle sensing, the Neo 2 may feature front, back, and bottom obstacle detection. That means safer flights even in tighter spaces. Pair that with better wind resistance and improved battery life, and you've got a drone that's beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for serious creators. What we don't know yet: specs like internal storage, exact battery capacities, or fly more bundle options haven't leaked yet. But if DJI sticks to its usual playbook, expect multiple packages, possibly a controller refresh, and maybe even an extra surprise feature. Final thoughts: Mini 5 Pro versus Neo 2. So here's the bottom line: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate compact professional drone of 2025. It packs a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR-powered navigation, and pro-level creative tools, all under $249G. For serious content creators, this could be the new go-to drone. The DJI Neo 2, on the other hand, looks like the perfect beginner or travel drone. Affordable, safe, and feature-packed, it's DJI's way of lowering the entry barrier while still keeping pro-level flair. Together, these two models show DJI's two-pronged strategy: dominate the professional compact market with the Mini 5 Pro, while quietly winning over beginners and hobbyists with the Neo 2. If the leaks and rumors are true, 2025 could be the year DJI redefines not just drones, but the very idea of what portable aerial technology can do.